How to change your iPhone keyboard background. So the first thing you have to do is you want to install the third application. You want to go to your App Store right here, and then on the search bar you want to search for Gboard like this, and then you want to install it, and after that you want to click on open, and then you want to go to themes right here, and then choose any of the landscape, light gradient, or any picture that Gboard provide for you. Or if you want to do it on custom, you want to go on custom right here and click on the plus button and choose any picture that you want as your keyboard background, and you want to customize it, and then click on choose, and then right here you want to go to your bottom left of your screen. You see this globe, you want to long press it, and then you want to go to keyboard settings. Right here you want to choose on keyboards, and then add new keyboard right here. On third-party keyboards you want to choose on Gboard, and then you want to choose Gboard again, and allow full access. You want to turn this on and click on allow, and that's it. You want to choose on Gboard right here. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.